everyone, it's Todd, and it's July 2nd, and we're getting close to July 4th, so of course I wish everyone a happy and safe 4th of July. Really enjoy it with the family, make some memories. And what I'm posting today is, of course, the challenge for the clamp by a Scout Crafter, and I had a little fun with it. It's been a lot of fun. I started out with a joke, of course, and you'll see how I ended it. And I just hope you guys enjoy this video. If there's any questions, comments, leave it. But the hardest part about this whole project was the painting, and you'll see by looking at them, you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, you guys all have a great 4th of July. Enjoy it, and I hope everyone else had fun doing their clamps. And I appreciate John for the invite, and it was a lot of fun. Hopefully we can do some more of these just for the fun of it all. So anyway, God bless everyone, and have a great 4th of July. Bye-bye. Choices for the challenge. Let's see, what clamp should I use?